Our first cake is a hard, colorful, heart-shaped cake. Isn't it cute? I call this cake the sugar heart. First, you need to cut in half a round cake and place it on each side of the square cake. Then, you can add the icing, vanilla or chocolate, whichever one you want, and spread it until you covered the whole heart. Once that's done, you can add the sprinkles. We choose colorful sprinkles, but you can choose whichever one you want. There's so many kinds. I call it the waffle invasion. We are about to turn this simple chocolate cake into an awesome cake. All you have to do is cut up waffles in half and add them on top of your cake like this. To make it even more amazing, you can add chocolate chips. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Be generous. Everybody loves chocolate. And to top it all off, you can add chocolate syrup. It looks so good. To make it even more extra, you can add some icing sugar. To help you pour it, you can use a strainer. I used pre-made waffles, but to make it even more special, you can make them. So delicious! This simple cake deserves a simple name, Chocolate Star. For this next cake, we used chocolate sandwiches. Place them side by side until you make a round circle. Once your first circle is done, you can add some in the middle so you can place a second level. You can shape it however you want, but we decided that we wanted to make a circle. We kept it really simple. We only did 2 levels, but you can go and make 3 or 4 levels. We used chocolate sandwiches, but you can also use ice cream sandwiches. My skills aren't that good. I'm sure you can do better. You can add whipped cream in between the sandwiches, but we decided to keep it simple. To top it off, you can add some chocolate syrup. Wow, it looks so good! On the simple vanilla cake, we decided to add some waffle bars, but you can use whichever snack you want. There's so many choices. All you have to do is to place them all around the cake. Make sure that the snacks are really tight around the cake so that they don't fall. You want to have a really solid cake. Once you've placed the snacks all around the cake, you can add the strawberries. We chose strawberries, but you can choose any fruit that you want. And then top it off with strawberry syrup. Doesn't it look good? I call it strawberry madness. For this chocolate cake, we decided to place waffle chocolate sticks all around the cake like the other one. Use the same technique and squeeze them all together so that your cake is really solid. You can tie up your cake with a rope or a ribbon to make it cute. Once they're placed all together, you can add the fruits on top. We added peaches, but again, there are so many fruits to choose from. Place the fruit that you chose onto the cake like this, or you can do another design. Be creative. Doesn't that look good already? Have you always wanted to make the perfect marshmallow cake? Well, this one is for you. Use a simple vanilla cake and add pieces of marshmallows. It's that easy. Cut big pieces of marshmallows in half and place them all over the cake. It's the same vanilla cake as earlier. We just decided to reuse it. You can even use small marshmallows if you want. To fill up the holes, you can add smaller marshmallows, colorful marshmallows. The red inspired us, but there's so many colors to choose from. I call this one Marshmallow Heaven. For this chocolate cake, we decided to use some Ferrero Rocher, which is chocolate with hazelnut. We decided to switch it up a little bit and add the full chocolate with the wrapping and add some small pieces of the chocolate to make it look even more amazing. You can even top it off with hazelnuts. And if you're making your own cake, you can even add the chocolate in the cake. I call this one the Golden Dream. Hey Crafty Hackers! You want to see more crafty hacks? Well, just click here to subscribe.